My name is Alex Ameke, and I'm making this video to show you how to bypass a Ansible message that you get the first time you run it when you deploy instances. And the reason is, let's say you have to deploy 10,000, 20,000 devices at a short period of time, or you just have to do it, period. Instead of hitting yes every time, you want to find a way to just automatically just get that out of the way. And the secret is to get the machine information pushed into a SSH file. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. For example, I've created two instances through Terraform above here. See, it applies complete, and I have outputs. The output with these two IP addresses, host 1, host 2. Right? Then I decided to run Ansible for the first time on these devices and ran a basic ping command to try to make sure they're online. And we have Ansible all because these machines have been put in the host file for Ansible. 113, 230. If you like a tutorial on that, please let me know. So anyway, running the command, and the first thing we get is you see 230 and 113 down here. Are you sure you want to connect? Are you sure you want to connect? The reason is, again, it's because they're trying to stick this information in the host file. Let me clear this out a bit and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. In this .ssh file in the user directory, in the known host file, what it does is, I'll show you, it inputs the information from the instances you create. So next time it'll know that it can work with it and everything's all good for the first time. And as you see, the 230 and the 113 are not in here. And if I had hit yes, it would have added them to this. So the workaround is to go back to your, if you're using Terraform, a Terraform workaround would be to add a provisioner inside here that allows you to, make a command to push the SSH information into that host file. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So we go to provisioner, and the provisioner we're using is the local exec. This allows you to write all the commands you need. Excuse me. All right. Then we go into command. And the command we run is the SSH key scan. The purpose of this command is to go ahead and scan the local IP address information or the IP address that you put in. Right now we're using interopolation, and it'll be self of whatever we created, pretty much. Use the private IP of the machine, right? And now we want to copy this information over to the local host file. Pretty nice little workaround here. And this, again, it's called a known underscore host file. And something very important we also want to keep in mind is the first time you deploy these machines, the SSH service has to have time to get started. So you want to allow it about 30 seconds. And we'll go ahead and put the other command, Linux command, in to let it sleep for 30 seconds before actually running it. Okay, we'll copy it twice since we're trying to do two machines, host 2, host 1, and let's go ahead and save that, and we'll give it a go. Run apply. Right, should kick off in a few seconds. Hit yes, it says making a couple of changes there. All right. Now that's ran, we have two new IPs. So first thing we want to do is we'll verify that the machines did get created. Okay, got a 116, got a 2421, 116, 2421. So let's go ahead and get this information copied into the Ansible host file that we have. Go and update the host 16, 116. And just to make sure I get it right, 2421. All right, cool. With that, we should now be able to well, let's clear this out first. Give us some real estate here. Cross our fingers. See what we get. And as you see, the it's not asking us yes or no. Just to make sure, let's see if it copied the information to the file. And as you see, here we go, 21, 116. That's excellent. All right, hope you enjoyed, and of course it is time to destroy. Hope you enjoyed it.